The community advocate we spoke with today says there are some parents who just need to be more responsible themselves for their children. This is a complex case, right? This 10-year-old child went into their father's car, grabbed their gun, and shot and killed his 10-year-old neighbor. Now the district attorney is saying that this is solely the father's responsibility who owned that gun. We talked with this local defense attorney today who explains why this is likely the case. After a 10-year-old boy shot and killed his 10-year-old neighbor, the Sacramento County District Attorney's Office says the shooter's father will be solely responsible for the child's death. A local defense attorney says this decision likely starts with the father's obligations as a parent.
As an adult, we know that guns kill. We know that they have to be stored properly. We know as a felon we can't have one. All of those things, the father obviously knows.
Defense attorney Michelle Trigger says to be convicted of murder, you have to have an intent to kill and what officials call a state of mind. So the 10-year-old shooter, the court will likely argue, did not fully understand that pulling the trigger on his dad's gun would kill this other child. However, 53-year-old Arquette Davis is a convicted felon, so he's not even supposed to have a gun. Plus, the gun he had in his car was loaded and stolen. Davis did not pull the trigger, and so far he's not facing murder or manslaughter charges, but Trigger says because Davis left his gun in the car and accessible to the child, that is why he is facing a child endangerment charge and bears this responsibility for the 10-year-old's death.
In a fact situation like this, we're thinking, well, he didn't actively do anything to the child, right? But ultimately, if you present any type of circumstances where a child could be hurt, that's child endangerment. For example, if you have a firearm that's loaded and accessible to a child, that presents a circumstance where a child could be hurt, and a child was hurt.
Community advocate Barry Axius says this should not have happened, and adults have to be better role models for their children. But he says there's another issue.
This is not to say we need to take all guns away from citizens that use their guns appropriately, got licenses, but there is a problem with illegal guns going to felons, and here is the end result. Because the gun can get into anyone's hand.
Axius says ultimately, regardless of access, it comes down to parenting.
As a parent, you got to do better. And I'm hoping that a lot of parents are watching this, seeing the anguish, the pain that this mother and this family is going through, and making better decisions after this moment.
Back out here live, that 10-year-old who fatally shot his neighbor is not facing any charges as of now, but his father, Arquette Davis, will be back here in the Sacramento courtroom tomorrow morning. You can find our complete coverage of this shooting and this court case on our website at fox40.com. Live in Sacramento, covering local news that matters, I'm Zach Boedo, Fox 40 News.